Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create website using AI and you can clone any other website. At first, you have to go to the Readdy AI. So go to the address bar here, you can see, or maybe you can search here, and that is READDY, Readdy AI, and hit enter. And here you can see a Readdy site. Okay, so just click here, and here you will find three options. Click here, free. You just have to sign up through your Gmail account, and after that you will come to this page. Okay, and here you will find an option web and mobile. So select this, and now you have to give your project name. So let's say I will say here test project Readdy. So create new, and here we go. Now publish your website today. So here you can see we have option here. Now I want to make a website first. So what I have to do, I have to say here that I want to make a blog website. Okay, blog website. I need home page, about us page. Okay, and let's say contact us. Okay, contact us page. Just using HTML and CSS. Now hit enter or just click here. I will help you to create a blog website with the home page. So let's just wait for this because it's creating file. Here you can see. So we have to wait for some times. So here we go. This is our website. Here you can see if I open it. So welcome to our blog. We have this. Now we have about us also and contact us also. Okay. You can see if I click on about us, you can see our mission and everything. So this is a nice website really. So yeah, now if you want to publish it, you can also do this. Let me show you how you can actually do this. Now we are in view mode, so let's just press ESC from your keyboard, and here you can see this is also responsive. If you click on the mobile version, here you can see totally responsive, right? Now here you can see you can actually export it into Figma or Master Go. So if you need the SE option, here you can see we have also here SE option. Now if you want to publish it, you can actually click here publish. And do you have domain? Okay, what is your domain name? So basically you can actually create free domain and hosting. And if you don't have any domain, just click here. Now click here next. Now here you have to give a domain. Let's say I want to say here, I will click here next. And here you can see the domain is available. Now you can actually buy domain from here. But if you don't have, if you don't want to buy it from here, you can actually click here. Yes, I already have a domain. Now click here next. Now here you have to give your domain. So you can actually create a free domain from a bunch of different ways, like GitHub pages. We have Cloudflare. We have Infinity Free, right? So you have a bunch of different ways, and we have a bunch of different videos in our channel. You can actually go through it. Okay, so that you can actually host your website for free. And when you go for the hosting, you will get subdomain. So you can actually add it here. And after that, when you actually use domain here, then you can actually publish it.